Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add clickable link in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin. If you've ever wanted your viewers to jump directly from your video to a website, e-store or social page, this guide will walk you through the best workarounds to make that happen. First, it's important to understand one key limitation. Videos exported from CapCut, like MP4 files, don't support clickable links inside the video itself. Unlike a website, videos are just visual and audio content, so you can't add buttons or hyperlinks that people can click on directly. But don't worry, there are still several effective ways to guide your viewers to your links. One of the easiest and most reliable methods is using the caption or description when you upload your video. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok all allow you to add a description. Simply paste your link there when posting your video. Most viewers already know to check the description, so this works really well. To make sure people actually notice your link, you should add a call to action inside your video. In CapCut, you can add a text overlay that says something like link in bio or check the description below. Place this text at the beginning, end, or both so viewers clearly know where to go. Another smart trick is using a QR code. You can generate a QR code for your link using any free online tool, download it as an image, and then import it into your CapCut project. Place it somewhere visible, usually near the end of the video, and add a message like scan this code. This makes it super easy for viewers to access your link instantly. You can also boost visibility by pinning your link in the comments if the platform allows it. After uploading your video, post your link as a comment and pin it to the top. This way, it's one of the first things viewers see when they engage with your content. Finally, if you're sharing your CapCut project itself, you can use CapCut's sharing feature to generate a project link. This is useful for collaboration, though viewers still won't be able to click links inside the video itself. So while you can't add true clickable links directly into a CapCut video, these simple workarounds, descriptions, on-screen text, QR codes, and pinned comments make it easy to guide your viewers exactly where you want them to go. And that's it. This is how you can add clickable link in CapCut. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.